What's up, guys? I'm on Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. This one's just another little family vacation trip, and we're all just going to be jumping into the lake. It's Palisades State Park. We're a little reservoir. There's a nice little cliff area to jump off and jump into the water. As long as the water's nice and high, it's safe. So, water's super high this year. Let's go have a great time with family.
About the mental, it's so warm.
All right, go.
Worth like $50.
All right, you ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Going. He's not. And he's going to the kayak first. Just way down is jumping.
I think that's our cue. The speaker died. The mood's dead. Olivia's leaving.
All right, you guys ready?
It's time for like. I'm satisfied.
We got to jump from the highest point, or you're not a man. Woo! Say hi. Okay, they're waiting for us. 3, 2, 1, go! Freaking mom! Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty short video and just a family video. But either way, this is my freaking journal. So might as well post it up. So biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.